Okay girls, here is another example on how to write half equations. Let's say you are given this equation. Zinc reacts with copper 2 nitrate to give you zinc nitrate and copper. Let's see how we can write the half equation now. So first of all, like I mentioned earlier, if there is an ionic compound, we just open it up to its ions first. Okay, so this is zinc is an atom, no need to open it up. Okay, this is copper 2 nitrate. We know that copper is a metal, right? And nitrogen, oxygen, these are all non-metals. So we have Cu2 plus, okay, and NO3 negative. Of course, there are two of them, NO3 negative. Okay, here same thing. This is an ionic compound because this is metal and this is non-metal. So we open it up, right? Becomes Zn2 plus, and this becomes nitrate. Okay, nitrate. Copper, this is an atom, so no worries. Copper is an atom, no need to open. Now, if I look on the left side and the right side of the equation, okay, I can see that I have zinc, and zinc changes to become Zn2 plus. Okay, then I have copper 2 plus, alright, and it changes to become copper. Okay, where else this NO3 negative remains as NO3 negative. So actually I don't need to bother about this. I just ignore this because it didn't change at all. Alright, so what I want to look at is my Zn now has become Zn2 plus, and my Cu2 plus reactant, okay, has become Cu product. Okay, so now we want to add in the E, which is important for half equation. So where would I put the E? Okay, E is negative, alright, so that I can balance the charges between the left side and the right side. Okay, so remember E is negative. Now you can see in the first equation, Zn, okay, there is no charge. Alright, so that means it's zero charge. Okay, so this one is plus 2. So I want to make 0 and equal left and right side. So where should I put my E? Okay, if let's say I tersilap lah, I go and put the E here lah. Okay, let's say I put 2E here lah. Alright, you check again the charges. Left side of the arrow got negative 2. Right side of the arrow got positive 2. Is negative 2, okay, equal to positive 2? No, it's not equal. Okay, it's not equal. So it's wrong. So we will have to erase it, okay, because it's wrong. Okay, and then redo again. Of course, after many times of practice, you should be able to do it lah. Okay, so let's say I put on the right side. Let's say I tersilap again. I put only one E. Okay, so what will happen? On the left side of my arrow is zero charge. On my right side of the arrow is, okay, how many? This one is positive 2, and then this one is negative 1. I still have a positive 1 charge on the right side of the arrow, but on the left side of the arrow only got 0 charge. So it's still wrong. So we have to erase, okay, all these things, alright, and try again. Okay, so if you have done this many times, alright, you will know I must put a 2 negative, because 2 positive and 2 negative is equal to 0. Right? So 0 is equal to zero charge. Then I know it's correct. So this is the first half equation. Now the second one, right, so you can see left side of the arrow is positive 2. Right side of the arrow is 0. So definitely I have to put a 2e here, so that I have plus 2 charge, okay, and then this one is negative 2, so total is 0, okay, and total here is also 0. So now my charge is balanced, so I know that the E is at the correct side. So this is also half equation. So you notice one thing, in any equation, right, there will be one substance that will release electron, and there will be another substance that will receive electron. So you see, this zinc, okay, release electron. When it releases electron, the electron comes out lah, okay, as a product, right? And then you can see this Cu2 plus receive electron. So the electron from Zn, okay, is received by the Cu2 plus. So one equation will have lose electron, okay, another equation will have gain electron. So we have learned oxidation is the substance lose electron. Okay, so this is the oxidation half equation. And we also learned that reduction is the substance receive electron. So this is the reduction half equation. So we know that zinc is oxidized, whereas copper 2 plus is reduced. Okay, then we also know because of the opposite, if zinc is oxidized, therefore zinc is the reducing agent. And if copper 2 plus is reduced, then copper 2 plus is the oxidizing agent. Remember, agent is the opposite. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.